Fine. So today we are going to learn getter and setter in Java. So for that, I have created a project saying AM. In that AM, the package getter and setter is created. Now right click on this package and then create a class. So I'll give my class name as a Facebook, let's suppose. Okay. And then Facebook class has been created. Now here I want to declare login page variable. So on login page, can you see some variables? So yeah, I can see, like, I can say that username you will have to provide. So I'll say private string user name. Okay, is one variable I have created. Now I'll say one more variable, private int and then password. Okay, so password. So these two variables we have now. Now I'll create one more class, so this class I'll name it as a application class. So now in application class I want to call Facebook class object. How can I do that? So it's very simple. Just create the Facebook class object in the application class, and you'll be able to access the variables and methods present in the Facebook class. Now Facebook object has been created. Now f dot, look, I'm not able to see any of the variables which is mentioned over here. So if you want to see the variable, you will have to make it either public, you know either default, or protected. So now what to do? So just delete this and then just try to call once again. Look, we are able to call f dot username, right? But now I want a procedure where I don't want this app class to just directly access my variables. So for that we have something called as getter and setter. So let me mark my variable as a private again. So private string username is. Now let's learn how to write getter and setter. So first thing, public, and then you'll have to see what method you want to create. Now I want to create getter. So if you want to create getter, you'll have to give the return type of this. So return type of this variable is string. So you'll have to write string, and then what method? Get. So get, what do you want to get? I want to get username. So just write user name. Okay, and then give the braces, and in this you give your code. Now now you wrote public int, it's giving you error. Why is the error? Because the return type is string. Hover over there, it says add return statement. So just say return, and then just copy this variable user name. That's all. Your getter is created. Now again the next comes is setter. So how to create setter? So public void and then set. Okay, and then set user name. Now pass a string over here. So let me pass a string over here, string s, let's suppose I'll pass. Okay, and then I'll write my code here. So what is the code you want to write here? I'll say this dot username equals to s. Done, it's created. Now if I want to access this variable outside of this class, that is outside of Facebook class, how can I do that? I'll do simply saying f dot get username. Look here, get username. Now save your program. Let me print this. We'll see what the value it is having right now. So f dot username, let's suppose, will put here. Now right click on your project, run as a Java application. Look, right now it's having null. As we know, the global variable auto get assigned and it has null if it is a string. Now let's go and set some value for username. So I'll say f dot set username. Give the username, I'll say Bipin. Okay, and then try to again print this and see what value you are getting now. So look, now you are getting Bipin. So that's nothing but a getter setter in Java, guys. You can I have also created one more integer value. that is private int password. You can create a getter setter for this also, you know. So there is one more way to create on in, you know, in Eclipse or in any IDE. Just right click on your project and then go to source and check for option generate getter and setter. Just click on this option. Look, the variable has been auto selected here. So you can see what you want getter or you want setter. You can get both here. Now just say generate and look, your, you know, password getter setter has been generated. So this is nothing but a getter setter in Java. So practice guys, and let me know if you get any doubt. So thanks for watching.